Very good evening. I, Engineer Mitras, welcome you all on the शिक्षा डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म। आप लोग का स्वागत करते हैं और आज केमिस्ट्री का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक आपके क्लास 7th का है। उस टॉपिक का नाम है एसिड बेस इन सॉल्ट। ये क्लास 10th में भी पढ़ना है, फिर 12th में भी पढ़ना है। So this topic is very important. According to your level, we have to study about what do you mean by acid, sir, how we can define base, how we can define salt. Sir, what are the examples of acid? What are the example of base and what are the example of salt? Sir, what do you need to neutralization reaction? What is litmus paper? Sir, what is indicator? Natural, artificial, these things, and what are the importance of pH in our daily life? These things that we have to study in your class 7. The name of the chapter is called acid base and salt. So first of all, we will study, sir, acid is a word which is derived from Latin word acidus. Acid is a word which is derived from Latin word acidus, and sir, it means sour in taste. It means sour in taste. तो बच्चे अभी तक क्या बोले कि सर एसिड इज ए वर्ड विच इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड एसिडस. इट मींस sour in taste. And second, that we have to study कि सर acid having hydrogen. Acid having hydrogen. If somebody asks कि सर एसिड होने के लिए कौन सा एलिमेंट मैंडेटरी है, एसेंशियल है, तो यू विल से हाइड्रोजन, और सिंबल H होता है और सिंबल का पहला लेटर कैपिटल होता है. तो टिल नाउ वंस अगेन आई रिकॉल कि सर एसिड इज ए वर्ड विच इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड एसिडस. इट मीन sour in taste. एंड सर एसिड का जो सोर्स होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्टैंडर्ड, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक कि सर कर्ड में लैक्टिक एसिड होता है. कर्ड में कौन सा एसिड होता है? लैक्टिक एसिड. और सर कर्ड में बैक्टीरिया होता है, उसे कहते हैं लैक्टोबैसिलस बैक्टीरिया. तो टिल नाउ वी हैव स्टडी सर सोर्स ऑफ एसिड. तो सर इन कर्ड लैक्टिक एसिड आर देयर. सर व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द एंट बी, एंट और बी, इसमें फॉर्मिक एसिड होता है. इसमें कौन सा एसिड होता है? फॉर्मिक एसिड. इसे ही कहते हैं मिथेनोइक एसिड. क्या बोले बच्चे? मिथेनोइक एसिड. और हमने पहला बताया, क्या बताया कि सर कर्ड में लैक्टिक एसिड, एंट में, बी में, चींटी और मधुमक्खी में फॉर्मिक एसिड, मिथेनोइक एसिड. नेक्स्ट है जितने भी सोर फ्रूट है, सिट्रस फ्रूट है, उसमें कौन सा होता है? सिट्रिक एसिड. स्पाइनिक, पालक जिसे कहते हैं, SPINACH, इसमें ऑक्जेलिक एसिड होता है. कौन सा एसिड? ऑक्जेलिक एसिड. टिमारिंड, टार्ट्रिक एसिड होता है, टार्ट्रिक एसिड. विनेगर में एसिटिक एसिड होता है. हमारे पेट में कौन सा एसिड? उसे कहते हैं गैस्ट्रिक जूस. गैस्ट्रिक जूस में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड होता है. गैस्ट्रिक जूस में कौन सा एसिड होता है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. तो बच्चे टिल नाउ वी हैव स्टडी कि सर व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय एसिड. देन आई डिफाइन कि सर एसिड इज ए लैटिन वर्ड. एसिड इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड एसिडस. सर इट मीन sour in taste. सर if any acid having hydrogen, I mean to say that sir, having hydrogen in any acid base or salt, that is called acid. माने एसिड में हाइड्रोजन होना मैंडेटरी है. आगे हमने क्या पढ़ा? सोर्स ऑफ एसिड कि सर एसिड कर्ड होता, उसमें लैक्टिक एसिड, एंट में, बी में फॉर्मिक एसिड जिसे मिथेनोइक एसिड कहते हैं, सिट्रस फ्रूट में सिट्रिक एसिड होता है, स्पाइनिक में ऑक्जेलिक एसिड होता है, टेमारिंड में टार्ट्रिक एसिड होता है, और ग्रेप्स में भी टेमारिंड और ग्रेप्स टार्ट्रिक एसिड होता है. विनेगर में एसिटिक एसिड होता है. गैस्ट्रिक जूस जो हमारे गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड में, गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड स्टमक में होते हैं, उसमें हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड होता है. तो दीज आर द एसिड विच आर फाउंड और विच आर आस्क्ड इन योर एग्जामिनेशन रिलेटेड टू द सोर्स ऑफ एसिड. नाउ next topic that we have to study about the indicator. We have to study about the इंडिकेटर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्टैंडर्ड? कि सर इंडिकेटर वो होता जो इंडिकेट्स करता कि सर विच इज एसिडिक, विच इज बेसिक और विच इज द न्यूट्रल. सर इंडिकेटर इंडिकेट्स वेदर सॉल्यूशन इज एसिडिक और बेसिक और न्यूट्रल. तो सर एक होता नेचुरल इंडिकेटर. क्या होता बच्चे? नेचुरल इंडिकेटर. नेचुरल इंडिकेटर जो नेचर से ऑब्टेन्ड होते हैं. दीज इंडिकेटर ऑब्टेन्ड बाय नेचर लाइक टर्मेरिक, लाइक लिटमस पेपर. दीज आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल इंडिकेटर. नेचुरल इंडिकेटर में जो आपके बुक में दिया हुआ और जो एग्जाम में पूछता है वो होता लिटमस पेपर. लिटमस पेपर बच्चे ये लाइकेन से ऑब्टेन्ड होते हैं. आई मीन टू से दैट कि सर लिटमस पेपर विच इज पर्पल डाई. नेचुरल कलर अगर पूछेगा तो पर्पल कलर का बोलेंगे. और सर ये लिटमस ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम लाइकेन प्लांट. और लाइकेन कौन सा प्लांट है? थैलोफाइटा. कौन सा है बच्चे? थैलोफाइटा. तो till now we have a study sir indicator. It is of two types. The first type is called natural indicator, and second that I will discuss you artificial indicator, synthetic indicator, man-made indicator. So natural indicator are those indicator which indicates whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. And sir natural acid are obtained from nature. And sir turmeric, litmus paper are the natural indicator. And sir litmus paper original color is purple color, and litmus is obtained from lichen, and lichen is the thallophyta. Now question is, sir what is lichen? Sir when fungi and algae combine together it form lichen. And sir lichen का स्टडी को लाइक्नोलॉजी कहते हैं, फंजाई के स्टडी को माइकोलॉजी कहते हैं, एल्गी का स्टडी को फाइकोलॉजी कहते हैं. फंजाई स्टडी माइकोलॉजी, एल्गी स्टडी फाइकोलॉजी, lichen study lichenology. And sir these fungi algae are combined, then it becomes lichen. And sir litmus paper is obtained from lichen, and exact lichen का नाम है रोसेला lichen. And sir litmus paper is originally naturally purple colored, and sir it obtained from lichen, and lichen is thallophyta. How lichen is formed? When fungi and algae combine together it forms lichen. Sir litmus paper in acidic medium, it change blue litmus to red in color. It change blue litmus into red in color. Blue litmus into red in color. So till now we have a study बच्चे कि सर indicator which indicates whether a solution is acidic, whether a solution is basic or neutral. Sir natural indicator are obtained from nature. Sir natural indicator like turmeric, like litmus paper, and sir these are obtained from nature, so it is called as a natural indicator. Sir litmus paper natural color is purple color. Sir litmus paper it is obtained from Rossella lichen. Sir lichen is a thallophyta. Now question is sir, what is lichen? Sir when fungi and algae combine together it form lichen. Sir the branch of science in which we study about the fungi, it is called as a mycology. It is called as a mycology. And sir branch of science in which we study about the algae, it is called as a phycology. And the branch of science in which we study about the lichen, it is called as a lichenology. So till now बच्चे, any doubt to anyone you can ask. So till now we have a study about the acid, we have a study about the source of acid, we have a study about the natural indicator. Now बच्चे, the next point that we have to study, sir what do you understand by artificial indicator? What do you understand by artificial indicator? Sir artificial indicator, it is also called as a synthetic indicator. It is also called as a synthetic indicator. And sir it is also called as a man-made indicator. तो बच्चे कभी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा synthetic indicator, artificial indicator, man-made indicator, you will not get confused. All are same. All are same. So sir the most important artificial indicator, that is synthetic indicator, that is man-made indicator, that is generally asked in the examination, that is one is called methyl orange. One is called methyl orange, and second is called phenolphthalein. Now question is right, sir, how in acidic medium methyl orange changes? How in basic medium which color is obtained? Phenolphthalein in acidic medium which color and basic in which color? Sir, here we will study कि sir natural indicator, that is litmus paper. When we put litmus paper in the acidic medium, it changed blue to red in color. In basic medium, litmus paper change into red to blue in color. Any doubt to anyone? What I say? Litmus paper in acidic medium, it changed from blue to red in color. But when we talk about the basic medium, litmus paper, it changed to red into blue color. Next, we have to study about the artificial indicator, that is called as a synthetic indicator, that is called as a man-made indicator. Sir, artificial indicator are those indicators which was synthesized by, prepared by the human beings, and the two are the very famous, which are asked in the exam number of times. The first is called methyl orange, second is called phenolphthalein. Now bachche, how we can justify, sir, in methyl orange which color impart in acidic medium, which color it gives or imparts in the basic medium? So sir, methyl orange in acidic medium, it gives red in color. In acidic medium, it gives red in color. In acidic medium, it's give red in color, or basic medium, it imparts or it gives yellow in color. So till now bachche, there should be no any doubt. We have a study about the litmus paper. We have a study about the artificial indicator. First example that I have discussed right now, that is called as a methyl orange. Sir, in acidic medium, methyl orange imparts, give red in color. But when we talk about the methyl orange basic medium, it imparts yellow in color, or basic medium, it gives yellow in color. Sir, second, phenolphthalein. In acidic medium, it does not give any color. I mean to say that colorless. Or sir, in basic medium, it imparts or it gives pink in color. So till now we have a study about the acidic nature. Sir, acidic nature, there are two types of indicator. One is the acidic medium, second is the basic medium. Sir, litmus paper in acidic medium, it change into blue to red in color. But litmus paper in basic medium, it gives red into blue color. Sir, indicator, it is of two types. One is the natural indicator, second is the artificial indicator, that is called synthetic indicator, that is called man-made indicator. So natural indicator are those indicators which are obtained from nature, like litmus paper, turmeric. So litmus paper, it is natural color is purple color. So litmus paper, it obtained from Rossella lichen. But according to your standard, you have to keep in mind, sir, litmus obtained from lichen, and sir, lichen is a thallophyta plant. Sir, how we can obtain lichen? Sir, when the fungi, when the algae, both are combined together, it forms lichen. Sir, the branch of science in which we have studied about the fungi, it is called mycology. And the branch of science which we have studied about the algae, it is called phycology. And the branch of science in which we have studied about the lichen, it is called lichenology. Then we have a study artificial indicator, that called synthetic indicator, that called man-made indicator, which are synthesized by, prepared by the human beings. The such two are the most important example which are asked in the exam number of times. The first I discussed methyl orange. Sir, methyl orange, it imparts red in color in acidic medium, but yellow in color in basic medium. Sir, when we talk about the phenolphthalein, sir, in acidic medium it colorless, but in basic medium it's pink in color. And then we have a study about the source of acid. Sir, in curd, lactic acid is found. In curd, lactic acid found. In curd, lactobacillus bacteria is found. Sir, in ant and bee, formic acid, methanoic acid is found. And sir, citrus fruit, citric acid is found. Spinach, oxalic acid found. Tamarind, grapes, tartaric acid is found. Vinegar, acetic acid is found. And sir, gastric juice, which is found in gastric gland, and gastric gland is found in stomach, in that hydrochloric acid found. So till now, bachche, we have a study about the introduction of acid. In the next class, we will discuss about the base and salt. and we will study the what are the application of acid base salt in our daily life. What are the importance of acidity and basicity? So in which medium soil can exist? In which medium our body can exist? What are the importance of pH in our daily life? And what are the application with the activity we will discuss in the next chapter. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask the question, and if you don't have any doubt, you can take the screenshot. And next topic we will study about the base and salt. So I try my best to clear each and every concept related to acid. If you have any doubt till now, then you can ask. Otherwise, आपसे फिर मिलते हैं tomorrow with the new topic. The name of the topic, base and salt. तब तक के लिए राम राम, आदाब, जय हिंद.